Easily make $100 a day only 2021. No survey. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Because we are still home, but I figured out why not share some website with you guys if you are interested in using your spare time to earn some additional income. Now this company is that I'm going to share with you. You do not need to have much experience or any experience. They do not conduct any formal interview, or you don't have to submit any application or go through strenuous application process or any of that. You could just jump on and take calls and earn money, or you could just jump on and answer some questions, simply answer questions and earn additional income. These companies that I'm sharing with you today offer simple ways to earn money in your spare time. The first company is a call, and without call you can earn $12 an hour by calling from home. So you basically be like a cool caller. You can jump on it anytime and that you are free, and can start making calls and earn money. Okay, so let's scroll down and how it works. If you want to become an up caller and earn extra income from home, it's very simple. And first you can create up your profile, second start calling, third earn money. It's that simple. It's really that simple. Just three simple steps and getting started in earning money right now. While you have some free time and you are watching this video, you could be singing up to a call and getting your application approved again. It's not like an application where you have to send your resume or cover letter or anything like that. You just create a profile and put some information about yourself, and then they may ask you about certain skills that you have, and that's basically it. And you can start making calls within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so there is an approval process. It's very short approval process, and again it didn't require you have to a lot of experience in doing this. They have a world class platform. A call work with your existing PC or laptop. Simply plug your microphones in your work. It's a go. So if you have a USB headset or if your computer have a speaker on, then you definitely can utilize that to take calls. But I highly recommend that you get a USB headset. If you do not have a USB headset to make calls, I have a link to a recommended headset that you can get it very quickly with Amazon, and it's very affordable, not expensive at all, and you could get your headset as soon as within 1 or 2 days with with Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, maybe Sonar or making calls, they letter real time earnings reporting, assess calls history during duration reviews and from clients and statistics. So you get to review your own call history and duration of the call and so forth. You get access to see all the information for yourself. They also have a free Facebook page, so you can join their Facebook page. So you can follow them on Facebook and join the Facebook group and be a part of their weekly motivation meetings. Of course, this is very helpful because it will help you to be more productive and produce even better quality calls, which is great because this link will help to develop your experience. And also you can add this to your resume when you are applying for your work for home positions right now. So you definitely want to look into the types of opportunity because they are very beneficial in a long term. So again, check out up calls, sign up, which is absolutely free. So you can start earning money a very short period of a time, and you can earn a minimum of $12 per hour. So you can make up to 100 a day with callers. So the next company, if I want to show it to you guys, is coming from Calmly, and it's very touring service, but they are not your typical touring online service. You don't have to an experience at all, no certificate, no teaching certificates or anything like that. It's very simple to get started with them. Get paid while you chat with student, and they automatically track the time you tutor. They pay 17 cents per minute, which adds up $10.20 per hour, delivering your earnings every Monday where people. So you would have two people to work for Camly, and then they pay every Monday, and that's weekly pay, right? So you could work anytime, anywhere you choose. You make you on your hours, work as little as much as you want. You can Log online whenever you feel like you have some free moment and start taking calls within a minute. Meet interesting people. It's very exciting to meet new people, right? So especially since we are stuck at home and you may want to start interacting with people, so you can chat with people for from around the world in 1 hour or touring you might meet a brilliant you meet someone from Russia and so on. You will learn a lot about their cultures, their language as well. So pretty exciting right now. Meeting people all over the world while you are earning money on your free time. Okay, so definitely check out Cambly again. They do not require you have too much experience. It's very simple to get started with them as well. So these are two main websites that I want to share with you guys. I'm a call and family, so links will be posted below this video. So about these companies, if you are a college student and you are stuck at home, then you can earn some additional income where you are. Alright, so that's all I have to share with you guys on today, and again stay safe. I will see you next time in another video. Happy